Achoo! Ugh! Orange! Why did you do that? I sneeze on you. Well, sneeze yourself. Don't sneeze on me. I don't want to. Yeah. I love monster trucks. They're my favorite vehicles of all time. Achoo! Orange, you should stay away. I don't want to stay away. Stay away! Fine. Yay! I love unicorns. Yay! I wish they were farting on rainbows. Yay! Yeah! Orange, you sneeze on me. Excuse you. Excuse you. Yeah. Excuse me. Excuse you. Excuse me. Excuse you. Yeah. Whoa, what? Yeah. Orange, stop sneezing on us. Let me get back to sleep, would you? Achoo! No! Yeah. Excuse you. Excuse me. Excuse you. Excuse me. Excuse you. Yeah. Oh. I want to know if my fitness starts or not. I'll go ahead and figure it out. Achoo! Orange, you sneeze on me. Well, excuse you. Excuse me. Excuse you. Excuse me. Excuse you. Yeah. Orange, why did you sneeze on us? Yeah, why did you do stuff like that? Yeah, dude, why did you do that? I sneezed on you because I don't have tissues. Look, Orange, your tissue's right here. You should have sneezed at us. Use a tissue. I agree with Grandpa Lemon. Me too, Orange. Orange, you know, if you sneeze on people, you'll get sick. You get germs. Or should I say, if you sneeze on people, you'll make them get germs that get sick. Huh? But I love sneezing on people. No, Orange! You're not sneezing on people! Yeah, Orange. Yeah, Orange! Use a tissue! But I don't want to use a tissue. Well, you have to use a tissue. No, I don't want to use a tissue. Orange, you have to use a tissue! No, I don't have to use a tissue. Want to use a tissue? No, I don't want a tissue! Fine.